Hello and welcome back to part two of writing and solving one-step multiplication and division problems. I believe we stopped off at number 3. Let's go ahead and wrap this up, or at least try. So we have 17 times some number x equals 204. We're multiplying x by a number, so the inverse operation would be division. I'm going to divide both sides by 17. 204 divided by 17 is 12. Now, I didn't put one here, but go ahead and answer this one for me. Oh, I guess I did. All right, so we have 6.5 times x equals 21 and 125 thousandths. Now, a short choice. We should know 125 thousandths is equal to 1/8. So you could convert your decimal to a fraction or your fraction to a decimal. I decided to convert my fraction to a decimal, so 6.5 is 6 5/10. Divide both sides by 6.5. And my answer is 3 25 hundredths. All right, so now we'll move on to writing division equations. And once again, just a reminder, an algebraic equation is simply two equivalent expressions. So we'll do an example. Layla and her two brothers took their mother to dinner for her birthday. The children decided to split the bill evenly. If each of them paid $63.50 each, write a division equation to determine the cost of the entire bill. So we have Layla and her two brothers took their mother to dinner. They split the bill evenly, which implies division. And each of them paid $63.50. So we're going to write a division equation to determine the cost of the bill. How much was the total bill? So the bill divided by 3 is equal to $63.50. Why 3? Because it was Layla and her two brothers. So 2 plus 1, there are 3 people dividing the bill. And each of them paid $63.50. So we'll let x represent the total cost of the bill. That means that the bill divided by 3 is equal to $63.50, or x divided by 3 is 63 people. The bill divided by number of people, they split the bill equally, and each of them paid $63.50. That's our equation, and we'll solve it in a few minutes. Actually, we might solve it right now. To solve division equations, we use inverse operations. Same with addition, subtraction, and multiplication. And the inverse of division is multiplication. So we have the entire bill divided by 3. Each person pays $63.50. We're dividing x by 3. The inverse would be to multiply. But we have to multiply both sides by 3. So this 3 divided by 3 is 1. We have $190.50 was the entire bill for all 4 people, but they only split it 3 ways. The multiplication property of equality says that if we multiply each side of an equation by the same number, then the 2 sides remain equal. So this right here is actually equal to that right there. All right, let's do a few problems. We have some number x divided by 3 equals 6 to 21. So since we're dividing x by 3, we need to multiply both sides by 3, not both sides by 21. We need to multiply both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3 cancels out. All I have is 1x, which is what I want. And I can simplify this side. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So I'm left with x equals 6/7. Now, I'm not sure if I have a knowledge check here, but I'm going to handwrite it. Do that one for me, please. And give me your answer as a decimal. All right, so some number k divided by 5 is equal to 1 3/20. I want to convert my mixed number to an improper fraction. I'm going to multiply both sides by 5 because I'm dividing by 5. So to multiply both sides by 5, that cancels out. Or 5 divided by 5 is 1. So my final answer is, how did I get 4 here? 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. 23/4, which is 5 3/4. I asked for an answer of a decimal, so that would give you 5 25/100. All right, we're at 5.5 minutes. We'll come back, and hopefully we'll do it in 3, but we may take us 4 videos. Talk to you soon.